And I just ran across some random riders. You feel me? So we gonna go ahead and ride with them. I hope I got the first part. For some reason my GoPro had cut off. But yeah, man, we outside. I was just riding and watched. And they just pulled up on me. I didn't even know they was behind me. And they're like, I want to ride, so I guess we're gonna be riding with them. We heading towards the riverbed. I know them a little bit. I seen them. I think I've seen them at the races before, if I'm not mistaken. Looking, but I hope I got the beginning. We got the back alley frame up front. We got our normal GTs on the side, but they bike is way faster than mine. So I'm on a stock flywheel, stock rod. So yeah. So look, man, you can find, like in LA, you gonna find somebody on a mini bike. Wherever you ride, you gonna find somebody on a dirt bike, mini bike, whatever, and that's how you just meet friends and, you know, stuff like that, you know. Get it? I like revving my shit up, boy. That's when you get a Premier Titan. You just rev it up a little bit. You dig? You got the airplane in the air. I see the planes. I like airplanes. On my mama, especially like the World War II stuff. Woo. They painted that one. Rich folks on my mama. Y'all see the jets. I'ma still want to put a 212 in it. Y'all see the plane coming in too. Woo. Compton Airport. I see him up in the air. Like, this supposed to be a mini bike video, but this is an airplane video. Man, you know I never got chased by the police. I work for the police. Come on, I'm the Fed. You dig? 911 Jay-Z. Royal Jay-Z 911. That's me. Looking, Lord, oh man, that nigga almost hit him, boy. Damn. Hey, I don't know who's at fault. Comment down below who y'all think. He did like get up on his ass, but I'm not too sure.
Nigga, bro, that shit, nigga, I was like, bro, ain't no fucking way this nigga's turning in lanes while we're in the lane, my nigga. That shit's wild, bro. I was like, bro,
yeah, that's crazy.
He tapped your shit, huh?
Yeah. And I was like, oh, I'm about to fuck this nigga up if he fucking fuck my pipe up.
Damn, nigga.
He tapped it. That's crazy.
He gave you a little love tap.
Little love tap.
Damn, bro. What the
I
fuck?
felt it. And I look back, I'm like, no way this nigga tapped me. But I guess like when he tapped me, I gave it gas, you know? So it wasn't like where you go like
that
bah.
much, yeah.
Yeah. I gave it gas and then, you know.
Hey, we made it to Long Beach. Look at all these tourists. Hey, God, I wonder where they from. Sheesh. Welcome to California. Hey, look at woo. You got the folks on the boat going crazy. Look at Long Beach. I ain't been over here in a cool minute. They over there fishing. I should burn some rubber and scare all the fish on this land. I'm gonna try to ease up on the throttle because my bike is low-key loud. I know my bike loud, it's gonna scare that dog like a mother. See, I try to respect them a little bit because I know this clutch, it stalls up high before before it engages, so it's louder than like a normal max torque clutch. But you know, I can't really, you know, do nothing to really stop it. But you know, like this stuff, I don't really like this stuff. Them doing the donuts over here. Because it do mess the property value up and they get mad at us. Like, there's no point in y'all doing donuts and all that stuff. I mean, just giving us a bad rep. Hey, so I'm basically, I run out of gas. I probably got enough just to get halfway there, but I'm out of gas. Hey, it's crazy, man. So we got the GPS on the phone to the nearest gas station. It's deep in Long Beach, so this has been an adventure today, you feel me? Spoke too soon. I ran out of gas, man. The lemon. So I ran out of gas. It's been a minute since I ran out of gas. So it took $280 to fill my tank. Yeah, man, that's gonna be wrapping up the video. We in Long Beach. But yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all for tuning in, and peace out. You feel me?